Welcome to Activity 8.2. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to investigate energy transformations during a chemical reaction. Now if you look at the picture on page 83 for Activity 8.2, it has a cup and a candle. Well, Mr. Phillips and I, we tried this in class and it didn't quite work. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this spiral here to show the same thing. So what we did was we have a Bunsen burner, you can see it there. And it's going to say suspend the cup, but we're going to suspend this paper spiral down. And what I want you to do first is predict what will happen to the spiral when you light the candle. Explain. Okay, now that you've made a prediction, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this over the candle. Now, one of the things I want to make sure I hold it high enough so, because it is paper, it doesn't start on fire. It may take a little while. But you see the paper is spinning around? If I catch it in just the right spot, it turns. There we go. So it's turning halfway. There we go. Now it's, see how it spins all by itself? So you saw the paper spiral spinning. So what I want you to do, based on those observations, is answer question 1. What happened to the spiral during the activity? Number 2, did the spiral have kinetic energy before you lit the candle? Did it have kinetic energy after the candle was lit? Well, we used a Bunsen burner instead of a candle. And when did it have more thermal energy or kinetic energy? Then number 3, did a chemical reaction occur while the candle, again, we used a Bunsen burner, was burning? How do you know? Then if you flip over to the back side, page 84, where did the kinetic energy of the rotating spiral come from? How do you know? Then to conclusion, what made the spiral rotate? And follow up, what energy transformations took place in transforming chemical energy into kinetic energy? In other words, how did we get this paper spiral to spin? So there, oh, it's going really good compared to before. So how did we get it to spin like this? What's going on with that? So go ahead, this is the end of the video, and you should be able to complete activity 8.2.